to run out of my laundry liquid. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to come and share with you why I make my own laundry liquid up and why I find it really important to go natural in the laundry. So if you find these tips helpful, then feel free to keep watching. So basically, I have had a look at what is on the back of the ingredients list on my laundry liquid and laundry powder. And so I challenge you, have you gone and checked out what the ingredients are that you are using in your laundry? Because often they are some of the most toxic in the household. And for us, we had, we had 3 people in our family that were experiencing asthma symptoms. We had people, 2 in particular, that were getting rashes on their skin. 2 that in particular had very low immune systems. And when I started looking up the side effects of some of the ingredients that were in laundry liquid, these were the side effects: skin issues, respiratory issues, hormone issues, so many different things that were affecting our family. And I, as a mum, I'm like, they are not okay. I'm not okay with continuing on with those type of side effects in our family, and I can do something about that. I can change what I'm using. So there are some things you can control as a mum, and there are some things that you can't. And yes, it's not one thing that's going to be the quick fix, but bit by bit, as you make the right changes, you start to see the benefits in your family. And so these are some, what I use is a plant-based product, and the recipe that I then use allows me to really save in my budget. So that is massive. That's why I do my own DIY. And when you're a family of 6, you want to make sure things go a long way and that they really work so that you don't have to redo them. So there are 3 things that I make. I make a laundry liquid, I make a stain stick, and I make a fabric softener fragrance booster. Because when you start to do your own plant-based stuff, there's not a lot of smell to it because all of the synthetic fragrances have been taken out, and it's just a product that works really well to clean your clothes. So they're the 3 things I do. So when I make my own laundry liquid, I use this nice big drink dispenser that I got from Kmart, so that it makes up, it's about 7 litres, and it costs me about 14 cents a load. So that is awesome. This is my plant-based laundry liquid that I source, and it works amazing. So basically I use, I have a really good recipe that you can ask me about if you want to grab the recipe, but it's a little bit of this. It's about 1/4 cup of this. I top it up with some warm water. I have some one other ingredient that I put in there that's really cheap that I get from the supermarket. Top it all up, and then I just have my little 1/4 cup dispenser here. I just pour it into my 1/4 cup, pop it into my washing machine, and we are good to go. So that's my laundry liquid, 14 cents a load, and it works really well. If someone comes to me and they've got grass stains, blood, mud stains, pen, bolognese sauce, that's when I grab my stain stick. And this has even worked when the stains are a bit old. It is always obviously better if you can grab it when they're fresh. So I grab my stain stick. Because it's a metal roller ball, it also creates a bit of agitation on the fabric, but you don't need to actually put in much effort yourself at all. So it has the stain remover coming through. I use a really cool, another plant-based cleaner that I use throughout my whole home as the base for my stain stick. And it's like a little magic stick. So it's like colouring in the stain, and then it's gone, and you throw it into the wash. And then my last thing is my fabric softener that I use. Put my fragrance booster into here, and I pop maybe, 2 tablespoons of this into the wash if I want something to actually smell nice, and then I hang it on the line. How good is it to be able to use the fresh sunshine to get things really, really clean? So that is what I do. Maybe you've noticed some hormone issues in your family. Maybe you've noticed some issues, skin issues, respiratory issues, or you know someone that's struggled with those sorts of things. So go check your laundry. Go look at some of the ingredients that are in your laundry, and as a mum, you have control over those things, and you can actually prevent them from impacting your family. Did you know chemicals only take about 26 seconds to get into your bloodstream and be right throughout your body? In fact, they did testing on her mum that was breastfeeding. She applied something like sun cream to her skin, and then they tested her breast milk 15 minutes later, and there was traces of the chemicals in that sun cream in her breast milk. So this is in your body, guys, and when you're using laundry products, you may think, well, they've been through the machine, they've been washed, they've hung out in the sun to dry. If you can smell the fabrics, the shop-bought fabric softener or laundry liquid on your clothes, it is still there and it is soaking into your skin as you wear them. Now, your nose may adjust to your own products that you use, but grab someone else's clothes or ask someone else, can you smell my washing powder on my clothes? And I guarantee you they will say yes, because I can smell other people's washing powder. You know, you will always have a family smell because of your washing powder. Oh yeah, that smells like Rachel's house, or that smells like Phoebe's house. You know, you think of those people when you smell their washing powder. So keep that in mind.